Agency Account Manager Success 5 Skills for Client Relationship Building. Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk Agency Account Manager Success 5 Skills for Client Relationship Building. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Agency account managers are pivotal in fostering strong client relationships and ensuring client satisfaction. Here are 5 essential skills for success in this role. Communication skills. Effective communication is paramount for understanding client needs, conveying agency capabilities, and resolving issues promptly. Account managers must excel in verbal and written communication to maintain clear and transparent client-agency interactions. Relationship management. Building and nurturing client relationships is crucial. Account managers must cultivate trust, demonstrate empathy, and proactively address client concerns to foster long-term partnerships. Strategic thinking. Account managers need to think strategically to identify opportunities for account growth and expansion. They must understand clients' business objectives, industry trends, and competitive landscapes to provide valuable insights and strategic recommendations. Problem solving. Account managers encounter various challenges while managing client accounts. They should possess strong problem-solving skills to address client issues promptly and effectively, ensuring client satisfaction and retention. Negotiation skills. Negotiation is a key aspect of managing client contracts, scope changes, and pricing discussions. Account managers must be adept negotiators, capable of finding win-win solutions that align with both client and agency goals. Conclusion. By honing these skills, agency account managers can excel in building and maintaining successful client relationships, driving client satisfaction, and contributing to agency growth. I hope that you liked the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.